Mm, okay. Also, let me add you into the development channel. So this is our own channel. Okay. This is our own channel. So you can actually mention the mentor assistant to here. As I said, if someone or miss to send you the like any like workshop action item or those things, you can actually ask them in this channel so that they will respond to you here. Okay.
So one more time, Ms. Pranto, who is the mentor for CloudOps?
Sorry.
Who is the mentor assistant or the
Yeah,
mentor?
Jihad and Dolon. Okay.
Jihad and Dolan
Yep.
for CloudOps,
Yep.
and then for Marn,
Man is the Protik
Protik, okay,
and Ayman.
Ayman.
Yep.
And
So let me
who
show
is
you.
for VV and QA?
So here you can see that Ayman
Yes,
and Protik. Where is the Protik? Here. Protik. These two persons are responsible for Marn.
Marn.
Okay. So you will ask to the Ayman. So Ayman will send you. Or somehow if Ayman miss, Pratik will send you. Okay. But you will
And,
actually communicate in this group, in the
and
Tasteful
for
development group. Okay.
CloudOps, you said
For
that,
the cloud ops, here is the Jihad.
okay,
Okay. And the Dolon Haidar.
Dolan
Okay.
Haider, okay.
Yep.
Thank you so
And
much.
for the QA, yep, for the QA, let me remove her. Okay, and for the QA, Ishraq, okay,
Yeah.
and also you can actually communicate to me. Okay,
Great.
good.
Good. Thank you.
So yep, you will communicate here, and then you will actually get the information from here also.
Sure.
Okay. So this is the group. Here you can get the all the information of the what happens into the workshop or the things you hear, and you are also already added into the July bootcamp group. So if you need to know, if you need to inform everything to all the members, you can communicate to the July bootcamp. Okay,
Okay.
July bootcamp. So this channel. But if you need to communicate to any specific group, then you can actually communicate to the July, like MARN or SQABB, any specific channel.
Okay.
Okay. Or if you need to communicate to individual someone, so you know already how to communicate with someone
Yeah.
individually.
So, Pranto, first thing we need to start like, should we start doing all these things from today? Like, should we send the message to the group, like, please share your email ID so we can
Yes,
add you?
yes, yep.
Okay,
You can send them message to them to so that they can share their email address, and you guys can add them behind the scene to them into the organization and into the project.
okay.
Okay, so you're good. All right, let me get wait, one minute. Okay. So the thing is, what you can do, another one. That one is, I remember I said to you that you will have to track. You will have to actually track everyone's activities
Task.
also, right? So yes, you have the board. You can easily get the update from the board, but also behind the scene, if you have your own Excel sheet, that will be also very easy to manage. Okay. So you should have your own Excel file. So Kazi, remember Joseph shared a Excel file with you. Do you
Yes,
have
I
that one?
remember. I remember he shared, but I don't know where that is. Is it? Should I?
Okay, no worries. We can create another one. So let's say sheets dot new. So let's say what you can do, you can actually select the name, that what is the name of that person, then the like uh bootcamp session. Okay,
Okay.
the bootcamp session is the same. Then you can also update like the task. You can also check that the sprint, sorry, the retro board. Okay, and
Okay.
also mm, 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 okay, these things are fine. So you can, okay. So here you can actually mm, where is the data validation? Okay. So this is the drop down, and you can bring all the members' name. Okay. So you may have different sheet for the different boot camp, or if you do in a single file, single sheet. Okay. So what you can do, you can create instead of the bootcamp session. You don't need this. So task retro. Then you can give this. You can create this one for the cloud ops. Then duplicate this. Another one is for the SQA and VBE, and another one is for
Mon.
MERN. Okay. So in the cloud ops, what you can do? Okay, let me create another one, another insert one row above, and put here the date. Okay. Or you can put there the sprint duration. Okay. So let's say you can give here the sprint duration. So the sprint is,
To 11.
let's merge it, and 1st August
August.
to 11th, right?
11th is Friday.
Yep. So this is, let's say, your sprint, and this is the name, and in the task, and this one will be the yes, this one will be the no. So the yes will be the green, no will be the red. Okay. Do the same thing for here also. Yes. No. Okay, this one need to, let me remove there here. Okay. Okay. So you'll bring all of the name here. It's just edit here and bring all of the name of the CloudHost member. Then you will check that is he updating their task. If he is update or if he actually doing this, then you will selecting the yes. If also you'll check that if he's updating into the retro board or not. You can select the yes between this. I mean beside of his name or beside of her name. Okay, so
Yeah,
this is your own Excel file. Which one you will manage, and by this Excel file you can easily get that. Okay, who is actually updating, who is not updating.
yeah, we can keep track of each and every member's activities.
Yep. Okay, so boot camp members tracker. So
Yeah.
let me share this file to both of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pranto, helping us out with this Excel. This is a great help.
Yep. What's the Gmail?
K Anwar
Okay, Anwar
0226
0226 at the
at
rate
gmail.com.
gmail.com. Okay, and also a
Mine is
dietitian.
DIE.
Is it good?
Dietitian around that.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Yep. So it's I already sent to you. So you guys can edit and you can actually update here. Okay. So by the date wise and in the sprint to sprint, you can actually update this. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. So this is the responsibilities. These are the responsibilities you need to do next 2 months at least.
Yes.
Okay. And then now let me show you another activities for you. So this is also very important. So what you will have to do behind the scene, you will have to work on these workshops. I mean, you have to watch those workshops. You have to give the show and tell on those workshops. And what you have to do, you have to exactly whatever have been discussed, the way the things have been discussed, you have to give the show and tell on those. Okay.
Are those
So which workshop?
Workshop you
March
provided.
5th,
Yep,
12th, and
March
19th?
5th, March 12th,
And
and
19th.
March 19th. And also the latest one is July 22 and July 29th.
July 22 and July 29, 2023.
Yep. So this 5 workshop is mandatory for both of you to watch
Okay.
sequentially. First start with the March 5th, then go March
March
12
5th
like
for
this.
me, actually, March 5th was done, Pranto. Like that was on Swagger and Postman. So for me, that was done. I will start giving from March 12th.
Sure.
Okay. Hmm.
And
Check.
we're going to do it jointly on March 12th.
And
And
nine. Yeah.
later I'm going to individually present March 5th because I'm behind on that one.
So yeah, if you are like, cause you can actually start with the March 5th, so that you can actually go just with the
Okay.
sequentially. So, Amrit, March 5th, was it only with the for the postman only, or also some other things? So did you watch that workshop and also complete the show and tell on that? specific or
Yes, actually,
okay.
for me, like, because I combined with, like, I combined that one.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
was
yeah.
totally elaborated one, like with the
Mhm.
Aisha, but mine was like around for 1 hour, 20 minute or something. It was on all about Swagger, Postman and everything. And then I did automation, like, yeah. So yeah,
Got it.
those kind of thing.
Okay, so no worries. So yeah, you these are the 5 workshop you must have to watch. You must have to create the show and tell. You must have to complete the show and tell. I mean, you have to just the show and tell. You have to mimic whatever have been discussed. Just bring those the point and then bring those into your slide. Then just complete the show and tell on there. Okay.
Yep,
So
sure.
here is your all the responsibilities, your action items, and also you have already like the need to write the user stories also in your for in the uh, finance management application, right? So that means you should be busy for that.
Very, very busy. And
Mm.
when you're done with this workshop, I want to talk to you on some other personal issues. If you stop the recording, then let me know.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, I'm done. If you don't have any question, I'm good.
And thank you for all the elaborate